This is refreshing actually after 2 years of being away from the pandemic or attending webinars or events like this online. I think doing it face to face is something that for me not only is nostalgic, but it brings the personal, more personal touch. So I'm glad that it happened.
For those who are still planning to go digital, I think this will be a perfect venue for them to explore the different technologies that are available, so they can decide which technology works for them, and maybe negotiate with the vendors on the cost and how, maybe get more insights into how long it will take to implement whatever technology they'd like to get.
I think it's a great opportunity to meet some of the local bankers, and it's well organized. I mean, it's well attended, so very significant decision makers in the room, and I think that's really key to any successful event.
It's a good opportunity to just get to know the people and to also share our expertise, our experiences. I think it's good to just share what we know, what we have experienced, and basically we are trying to help with the transformation in the Philippines for the banks in the country as well.
I really liked it. Lots of informative talks. Really learned a lot about the pressures pushing customers and financial institutions towards digitalization today, and then what to do about it.
I got to learn more about the current trends in the Philippines, get updated on the direction, the roadmap, especially on digital banking and fintech.
There's no harm in actually getting updated and seeing if there's a better system that's out there. Because as I also mentioned during my talk, we have to keep improving, you have to keep innovating, which means your technology cannot become stale. You have to keep updating with whatever is the latest technology.
One thing that stood out to me is that this push for digitalization, it's always been present, but it's been really accelerated as a result of the pandemic.
And probably the next 4 to 5 years will be a very exciting time for digital banking, digital finance, and fintech in the Philippines. So we, DocuSign, would like to be here, of course, and we would like to play a part in making that happen as well.
I found it good. So basically, firstly, the contents are quite inspiring, insightful, and it's good for me, including me and I see some of the attendees probably not from the Philippines, but it's really helpful for us to understand the local dynamic about the ecosystems, and some of the topics are regional topics as well. So I found it quite interesting, helpful. That's first.
And glad to hear from analysts from different banks and institutions. And although the digital experience is the key, they all agree that you need to have a solid modern core that would empower the overall experience. Yeah, it was good. It was a great conversation.
We wanted to come along and share experiences of our customers, which we were able to do through the panel discussion today, as well as learn the experiences of others and the global trends, and simply meet everyone in the industry after a long time of being face to face.
We've realized that by going to events like this, we come closer to the customers. We are able to explain ourselves better in face-to-face and what we actually do, because sometimes it's very different when you're just reading about us rather than us talking face-to-face in person with our partners, with our customers. So that's the reason why we've decided at the last minute actually to